Question number 1. Which hormone is primarily responsible for maintaining pregnancy? The right answer is option B, progesterone. Question number 2. The hormone HCG is produced by which part of the body during early pregnancy? The right answer is option B, placenta. Question number 3. Which hormone stimulates the development of secondary sexual characteristics in females? The right answer is option C, estrogen. Question number 4. What is the role of oxytocin during childbirth? The right answer is option B, stimulating contractions of the uterus. Question number 5. Which organ in the female reproductive system produces eggs? The right answer is option B, ovaries. Question number 6. The structure that nourishes and protects the developing embryo is called. The right answer is option B, placenta. Question number 7. During which trimester do most of the major organs develop in the fetus? The right answer is option A, first trimester. Question number 8. Which hormone is responsible for milk production after childbirth? The right answer is option C, prolactin. Question number 9. The process in which the sperm fertilizes an egg is called. The right answer is option C, fertilization. Question number 10. Which hormone is released in greater amount during the follicular phase of the menstrual cycle to stimulate follicle development? The right answer C, follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. Question number 11. What is the function of luteinizing hormone in the female reproductive cycle? The right answer B, triggers ovulation and the formation of the corpus luteum. Question number 12. Which part of the reproductive system is responsible for producing sperm in males? The right answer is option C, testes. Question number 13. Which hormone helps to prepare the body for labor by softening the cervix? The right answer is option B, relaxin. Question number 14. What is the role of the corpus luteum during early pregnancy? The right answer is option B, secretes progesterone to maintain the uterine lining. Question number 15. The hormone responsible for the letdown reflex during breastfeeding is. The right answer is option B, oxytocin. Question number 16. What is the main function of estrogen in the female body? The right answer is option B, stimulating the growth of the uterine lining. Question number 17. Which structure is responsible for the exchange of nutrients and waste between mother and fetus? The right answer is option B, placenta. Question number 18. At what stage of the pregnancy does the fetus start to produce its own hormones? The right answer is option B, second trimester. Question number 19. What is the primary function of the hormone human placental lactogen? The right answer is option B, to facilitate fetal nutrient supply by modifying maternal metabolism. Question number 20. Which hormones surge triggers ovulation? The right answer is option B. Luteinizing hormone LH. Thanks for watching.